Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I dressed up my macarons using wafer paper and candy melts. To fill the inside, I prepared a quarter batch of buttercream and I dyed it with a little pinch of Wilton Violet, and I'm using Wilton tip number 18 to pipe. For the inside center filling, I will be using the AMORETTI champagne ganache. I will be using a 1-inch hole punch to hole punch my wafer paper. I also have here macaron shells that I dyed with a dash of Wilton rose to make them this tiny pink. And finally, you will need candy melts that have been melted and a brush. Here's a closer look at the printed Icing Images wafer paper that I will be using, and this did come in a multi-pack of already pre-printed flower wafer paper. We will now move on to decorating the outside. When you have gathered all your materials, begin by cutting your wafer paper with your hole punch. And for this case, I only decorated the top of my macarons, but if you're decorating both sides, make sure that you cut out enough circles as you need for both sides of your macaron. When you have cut all of your circles, set them aside and begin melting your chocolate. When your chocolate is completely melted, it will look runny and gooey like this. Now you can take your brush and dip it into the chocolate and brush the chocolate lightly onto the back of the wafer paper. Once you have finished brushing your coat of chocolate evenly onto the wafer paper, take your wafer paper circle and lightly press it onto the outer portion of your macaron shell. Here's another quick look so you can see how I attach that again. Now let's move on to decorating the inside. For this portion of the decorating part, please keep in mind that you can definitely use any tip you want. You don't have to use a tip, and that you can fill your macaron with whatever flavor or whatever fillings you would like to on the inside. When you have filled your macarons, take your top and bottom and simply sandwich together both parts to create the completed look. And that's it. Now you're done decorating fancy macarons, and all we had to do was punch out circles of pre-printed wafer paper. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!